All right, so if you are a woman over the age of 40, listen closely to this. I was just mapping out a metabolism roadmap for one of my private clients, and I realized almost every woman over 40 that I talk to is struggling with the same broken metabolism myth. So I decided to keep the cameras rolling, and if you feel like your fat loss has stalled despite doing all of the right things, I'm giving you the 5 hacks we use inside of my community to fix it. So hack number 1 is going to be strategic fasting. So stop believing that breakfast is the most important meal. When you eat, the second you wake up, your insulin, which is the fat storage hormone, spikes. We want to do the opposite. Fast for 16 hours and eat in an 8-hour window. After that 14-hour mark, your insulin drops and your body finally switches over to burning stored belly fat for fuel. Hack number 2, the protein first rule. So protein has the thermic effect, which is a fancy way of saying your body burns 30% more calories just trying to digest it. So always eat your palm-sized portion of protein before you even touch your carbs or your fats on your plate. This is going to protect your muscle and kill those 3 p.m. sugar cravings. Hack number 3 is you have to lift heavy things. Cardio is like a lease. It stops when you stop, but muscle is like real estate. It pays you even while you sleep. So 1 pound of muscle burns 3 times more calories than a pound of fat. So aim for 2 to 3 progressive strength training workouts a week, focusing on movements like squats or push-ups. Hack number 4 is going to be eliminate insulin spiker. Bread, rice, pasta, and sugar are fat storage triggers. When your blood sugar shoots up, insulin floods your system and fat burning stops. So if it's white or sweet, avoid it for now so your body can stay in fat burning mode longer. Hack number 5 is going to be you have to prioritize your sleep. Poor sleep can increase your hunger hormones by 20%. So it's going to mess with your signals, which is why you crave sugar all day or you're tired. Prioritize 7 to 9 hours in a cool room and keep those hormones stable. So at the bottom of this guide, I have detailed a 7-day quick start plan specifically for you to start implementing these hacks today. And I also go into more details about each hack too. You can find this full document, the meal tools, our community workouts inside of our school community. The link is in the description. And if you want a roadmap built specifically for your body and your goals, click that same link and book a 15-minute strategy call. All right, y'all, let's get you past these weight loss plateaus. I will see you in the next video.